he's telling to himself, he's talking to his mother, his wife actually, but he's talking to himself. And he's saying that I don't remember what's happening, I hope my young one, my little one, I don't even remember his voice anymore. He left his child when he was 6 months or something, which is what I have done now. And he must be like 2 years now, he's not gone home for 2 years, he's a postman. And he says, I carry this bag of love, which is love letters. What do this postmen do? They carry like love letters. Those days, when there was no Hotmail, email, Facebook, you had just inland letters. I hope you guys remember. And Titya goes, I'm carrying this bag of love for everyone, but I don't know what my loved one is going to do, or is doing. I don't remember. So it's a very sad song, and I cry every time my father sings. So, first time ever. And he should be grateful to him and to the moment, it's just I'm just basically what
Io somebody else.